this is a photo of my family. It was taken on 11th September. It was an important day for Catalans because Catalans did a human chain. In the photo we can see my mom, my dad, my little brother Joel, and I. We are wearing a yellow t-shirt because all the people in the manifestation wear a skirt, like a t-shirt like this. In the background we can see the cathedral. It is beautiful, and I think that it's one of the biggest in Europe. On the right there are my friends with a placard. I will talk about my mom. She is Anna. She's a doctor. She is 49 years old. She is likable and cheerful. All of my friends love my mother. She's a doctor and she's clever too. If I don't understand my homework, my mother always helps me. She is a great cook. She makes a fantastic cake. And that's all. This is my family.